This is something that I have been thinking about doing for a minute, and today is the day I am finally replacing my polishes. When I first started doing nails, these polishes were very affordable. They worked. Some of them were given to me, but I just kind of grew out of them after a while. A lot of them became like wear and tear, like they became very runny. They separated. They just got all messed up and stuff. And I just moved on to bigger, better things. Goy! This is my favorite nail polish brand, y'all. I love them. Look at this. Look, I got all types of sets by them. I have their cat eye, I have their blooming gel, and I also have their new bases. Now I am keeping my glitters. So right now I'm just going through the glitters, picking out the ones that I actually want to keep. I know I want to keep a gold, silver, and all my D&D polishes that was still in a good tip-top shape. These polishes have been getting the job done for many, many years. I do not regret buying them, but since I'm starting to step into press-on nails, I definitely want to elevate the quality of my polishes. Now, that does not mean that I'm going to stop doing my girls' nails. Oh, no. I'm still going to be doing my acrylic nails, but I just want to do press-ons for those of you who aren't able to come to me and y'all are able to get a custom set made by moi. And I am also taking my first step of growth by getting rid of all of these polishes and throwing them away, because I have a really bad trying to hold on to things and salvage things and not throw them away. It's just a little hoarder in me. I'm not a full hoarder, just a little bit. In this video, y'all are just going to see what I kept and what got to go. And if you have been here for a minute, please make sure you have subscribed and turn on your notifications, because I have been posting on my community tabs, doing something a little different. I really want to interact with you guys, so I definitely want y'all to get notifications when I do post over there. So go ahead and check that out and interact with your girl and like the video on your way out. And if I do update y'all on anything, including videos, press-ons, y'all be the first people to know over there on the community tab. So please make sure you got your notifications on. And if you have made it this far in the video, please drop a heart down below so I know it's real. I love responding to you guys' comments. Y'all, these drawers were definitely a mess. Like, look at how much the polish is. Like, it would drip and leak down the bottle, and then it would like wrap around the rim of the bottle, and then it'll get stuck to the bottom of my thing. A mess. This is all that I am keeping, my good holy grail, D&D, and then the rest of it, it's going in the garbage. And then I have my little glitters on the side. They're staying with me too. I'm gonna hold on to them for memory. going to make sure that I put all my cat eyes in this drawer just to give it a little organization, because last time they was all mixed up or they was just in different areas. And this is the finished product. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, you like this video, and you turn on your notifications. I'm gonna see you guys in my next one. Bye.